Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can download Zengo app on your Android device. Watch this video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you don't know what Zengo wallet is, Zengo is a simple and secure crypto wallet from where you can store your cryptos and NFTs and also buy and sell them. To download the app, firstly head over to Play Store. Then in the search bar, type in Zengo. As soon as you do that, the app of Zengo will show. Now to download it, simply press the install button. After you do that, the app will start to download on your device. The download duration will depend upon the speed of your internet connection. Now the download has been completed and the app has been installed in your device. Now click on open to open the app. Now you can log in to your Zengo app by entering in your email address, or if you don't have a Zengo account, you can simply create one. Watch our other videos to learn how to create a Zengo wallet. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.